Bam, bam, no, no, no. Bam, no, 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 no. Bam, no, 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 no. Da, 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 no, no. Welcome, boys. Welcome to the channel. Love you all. Let's get some laid back beats. Let's do lo-fi. I wanted something better, but I want to play listen to music, but I can't. It's frustrating. Sad times, but it is what it is. One sec, we'll get into it here in a sec. Honestly, like, I'm so happy with today, the way it's going, the way the charts are playing out. Everything looks so strong. Oh man. Gosh, I can't believe the way the price action's playing out today. Really good stuff. Up to AMC. What up, kids? The real sneaky. We getting a lo-fi recently. Def have chill vibes. Chill. AMC to the moon. Bailey, God bless. AMC, yeah. Yeah, so I want to talk about what's going on. We're getting a little pullback. I mean, it's beautiful. We're getting this is what we drew. You know what I mean? This is what we talked about yesterday, right? That was a troll. Like, price action is everything, guys. Price action is everything. So basically what I drew this is on the 15-minute where I drew this. But really I just anticipate throughout the day. So we get the initial push up immediately above 8.5 and then we bounced down and held it down here. That was so important, right? That was so important. I added a lot. I added 8, I believe, call options at 8 around 8.5. Those are about they're basically doubled in value right now. We pushed back above. Now we're holding the monthly open, holding the VWAP. There's so much strength, and I cannot explain how strong the chart looks. I don't know how to say it without sounding too hyped, because honestly, this is so strong. I dumped about another 500 into it. Let me pull my E-Trade on my other. Also, I don't mind showing you guys my call. I just want to show you all my stuff. Although I think on this E-Trade account, I only have AMC stuff going on here. But I'm feeling good, boys. Feeling good today. Okay, so this right here, this represents one of my. I have another account with some AMC stuff in it. So basically, this is about $900 worth of call options, maybe 8 or 9, right here. I have some cash. I can't use this cash. I would use it. It's not settled yet, which sucks. But essentially what I'm doing, these are the ones I bought this morning. I bought them for 41 cents. I think it's up a little bit more than 62. This information is going to be wrong, up a little bit more than this. But this is what it's looking like on this account with these specific ones. Her option calls. I don't know how to. I'm just saying I'm buying calls, right? So I'm buying more, so you know, putting more skin in the game. Probably risky. Who cares though, right? It's just money. How's it going, Ruba? How's it going, everyone? Say hello to everyone. Get it all the way. I love you all. Smash the like button. We're gonna get more people in here. We're gonna start eating. I'm gonna be live at least till market close, probably till like 3:30. So like 3 hours from now. So like 30 minutes after market close, I have to run somewhere. I'll be back. But I mean, overall, I'm loving the action. Like, this is what we wanted. We wanted that push up. We held. This is a little bit more than I expected, right? We're holding above $8.90 now, right? We're holding above $9. Holding above $9 going into after hours. I think there's a high possibility this pushes after hours with lots of volume. Now, depending how high we start pushing tomorrow, it's my depict if I take some, take some off the table with my options, and I'll let everyone know I don't mind, like, totally free information. I don't care. So I will do that. Contemplated buying at close to help or right now. It's up to you, man. It's up to you. I like the way we're getting. This is going to be a little bit of a resistance now. You can see it for me. This is the 1 minute chart, so, take it with a grain of salt. But overall, we're holding that 886. We got a retest on there, pushing back. I love the price action we're getting. I can't emphasize it enough. I'm looking at a few other options overall. NEO's perking up today really, really well. So if you got any NEO from anything, congrats. You're going to make money. Earnings are coming out tonight. That should be pretty interesting. Pushing to it's already pushed to 50. I like it above VWAP. Still looks really good. I like XPEV a lot. I'm not going to go into too much detail there. Those are some great plays. I believe Zoom has earnings. Oil's doing great because of the shale news. So that's really, really good. But really want to make the focus of this live is going to be AMC, the price action we're getting there. GameStop seeing really great price action as well. But I think AMC is kind of setting up to be the big winner this week, especially. And it's making that separation. GME looks good. What's going on, James Winter? Hope everyone's doing good. Hope everyone got an opportunity to get in. Did your own due diligence and stuff like that. But we're looking good, boys. It's looking good. It's looking good. Let's see 100 to 1K challenge and go crazy. Hey. Is Workhorse dead? Can you give your opinion on it? Supposedly they're meeting with USPS. Could be big news. Oshkosh is apparently getting like that deal ruined, so that could be potential catalyst. I wouldn't be greedy though. Robinhood hasn't given me my 2K yet, bruh. You talking about you deposited it? Yeah. So if you do ACH transfers, that's the issue. That's why I wire a lot of my money. I wired some in this morning. Can't wait to purchase some more AMC calls. Honestly, I'm debating getting more. I don't know yet, man. I don't want to roll too much money into it, but it looks really good and we're doing really well. I have a long-term viewpoint of what I think is going to happen over the next month. I don't want to get too into that right now, but this is definitely interesting what's happening. If we hold above $9 going into after hours, I think volume continues to pour in here. I think it's going to do very, very well. Very, 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 very well. What's up, Pranay? Great to have you. I heard Oshkosh stole the deal from Workhorse. That's why I was wondering. So yes, apparently Oshkosh got the deal, right? But then there's news that people in the upper level government are going to cancel that deal. They don't want it to happen. So I don't know. Time to add more fuel to the fire. Dowsy. But yeah, it's looking really good. If anyone has questions, just keep posting them if I miss them. So yeah. But it's great to have everyone. We're going to be here for a while. Have some good content. Overall, I think we're about to see another breakout. Where's Kyle? So me and Kyle were trading this morning. He bought some this morning at like 880, at 870. But luckily, my wire transfer took like 5 minutes to go through, so it dumped down, and I dumped my whole wire. It was like what, $420. I have more, but I'm trying to be conservative with entering some stuff. I got $11 calls, but yeah. What's the top for AMC? I think the big resistances are going to be for $14.50, and then going to be the $17 range. If we can get above 17, we get price discovery. Price discovery would be huge, but I think this gets pushed. We'll see an $11 push, I think, tomorrow or maybe tonight. Gonna be crazy. I bought $6, $7, $9 calls expiring 3/12 this morning. Already feeling good in the green. God bless. God bless. Prediction on the AMC and GME market close go. So going into the close, if we can hold this sideways traction, even get a little bit of upward pressure, you know what I mean? I think volumes will start rolling in. The goal here for me is to get out of my weekly positions by by Wednesday's close, because I don't want to go into earnings maybe Thursday. We'll see. And I don't really want to be in the trade going into Thursday and Friday personally. I'm gonna look for re-entries because these are weekly positions, you know. So I'm looking to exit out and then maybe get some longer term positions and then wait to get more and more in. You know what I mean? Thank you for your streaming, man. You make quality content. Also, appreciate you answering my question. God bless. Great to have you. Have you seen the Yahoo Finance article that implied high volatility from March 19th? Yeah, I saw a lot about that. I saw some stuff. Is that on GameStop though, Wayne, or is that on? That's not. It has to be on GameStop. 420. God bless. Yeah, it was 420. There was no joke included, but because it was gonna be like $390, and I knew that the fee is $30, so I was trying to do the math, but it ended up just taking the $30 out of my checking account, so it's 420, so I got more. What happened to Gamma Squeeze? So Gamma Squeeze really isn't like a high pressured movement, right? And they have till Wednesday to close out most of these positions, so the Gamma Squeeze isn't gonna be like a huge massive push. You know what I mean? I don't think it's gonna be a massive parabolic move. It's just gonna just increasingly push us up, and then the short squeeze will start getting that push, right? Great to have everyone though. I appreciate you coming to the channel, stopping in. Okay, we're looking good though. We're looking good. I'm feeling hungry. Can you see the stock going to 300? I cannot see AMC going to 300. It'd be crazy if it did, and God bless, that'd be awesome. But right now I don't. So looking at iBorrowDesk, you know what this is? Basically goes over the fees for borrowing for shorts, and the fees are increasing all day long. Started at 4.3%, and now it's up at 5.7. About to break that local high of 6.1 that we had actually on Thursday or Wednesday, I believe. So that's insane. That is insane. The rate is getting that high. That's a lot. That is very, very high. We're getting a little bit of downward pressure on AMC. Again, I just want to see, honestly, what I expected in today was just holding above 8.5 going into close. But if we hold above VWAP, I mean, dude, icing on the cake. Do you think the SPY is going to keep running? I think the SPY is going to keep running, yeah. Indexes look good. Why did Trade say AMC in May was worth 600 something bucks? I don't think it's gonna be worth $600 in May. I don't know why he said that. What's the Fintel's numbers looking like? I mean, you gotta take Fintel with a grain of salt, in my opinion. They've proven that they kind of don't give the best information, in my opinion, especially on certain AMC stuff. But see, it's showing short volume, still 35 mil. It's, you know. It is what it is. Lots of short, no new short sellers actually. Interesting. See, but this data can be delayed. They don't have to report it instantly. So, again, grain of salt. Take it with it. Had some buys on Friday with some indexes. Interesting. Check the calls for 319, 800 calls. Bro, you got more BFT calls? I didn't get any more, no. I don't have any calls. I have a long term. I made a CTRM video, guys. I don't know what else to do. I think CTRM is going to do its thing pretty soon. You heard it here. You heard it here, boys. And you know, I don't make tons of videos or countless videos on stocks or, you know, 3 stocks in one video. I like to highlight key focal videos. And people are coming at me with some SOS heat because they think it's, you know, going to keep running. Maybe it does, but this is trash, guys. I mean, the way that SOS, if you read the article that they are refuting the statements with Hindenburg and Culpeper Research, if you believe that, I mean, it's absolutely like ridiculous. Look at their this is their statement so far from their executives. It's been almost a week, first of all, so let's keep that into account. So they haven't made a statement really in a week, and this is what they release to the public. This is what they release. This is it. They were recently attacked by distorted, misleading, unsubstantiated claims regarding the company. The company believes that certain social media accounts of some company board members may have been impersonated and disabled for short periods of time. So their social medias were canceled? What? And hacked? That's their excuse? The company believes these attacks were purposely designed to manipulate the price of the company's shares with the aim of causing stock to decline in order to economically benefit the short sellers to detriment of the company's public shares. Now, I'm all for the conspiracy theories, but you believe Hindenburg not only put a short report on you, but also hacked your accounts on social media. Okay, so let's say that's a possibility. If I own a multi-million-dollar business and I raised $193 million for said business, and people were saying it was fake and the stock was plummeting, I'm just saying, I would maybe make a new social media account, get in touch with some news providers or something, and make a public statement. I mean, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? So they still haven't made a public statement, so you know. SOS stands behind the integrity of the company and remains committed to maintaining transparency and the highest ethical principles. So they don't provide pictures of their business or anything like that, by the way. They don't. Of their offices, they don't. Right? They said it's the building next to the hotel. If you look at the business next to the hotel, Hindenburg also provides pictures of all the businesses. There's Baidu. There's a company, unless they lied about their business being killed in square feet, which they could have. They very well could have lied, right? To, you know, look bigger than they are, maybe. And then there's a building that's too small for it, so it doesn't make any sense. Escrow reserves all the rights that it may have against the short sellers and will defend itself vigorously against those behind these attacks and misleading allegations. So it's defending itself vigorously by what it's doing. They haven't said anything. They aren't coming. They're not defending themselves at all. So much less vigorously. That's just stupidity. They're using the "I got hacked." Yeah, I know. That's what I'm gonna say if they ever catch me for Chegg. The company's preparing a more detailed response to the false. I'm gonna butcher it, so I can't do it. And lies that are being spread about the company. SOS looks forward to vigorously defending again vigorously because they're waiting to vigorously defend themselves about their $200 million investments. Addressing these matters and providing more information in the coming days. It's trash. This is the biggest trash I've ever read in my life. Biggest trash ever. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Worst case scenario, you don't get into it and you miss out on money. Best case scenario, it drops to the turf. I mean, insane. Unsub. Hey, Nick, go ahead. Get out of here. Man, your financial advice has been wrong from the beginning. I don't provide financial advice, so it's good. But you can unsub. Goodbye, brother. If it's been wrong from the beginning, why sub? No, I'm not touching it. So that company is false. Will probably be if they get listed. Probably. Fidelity predicted it hit 636. Trey was really reported. Yeah, I think Trey was just saying that. I don't think I saw. I think that video where he talked about it. I don't think he said it was going to that price. That's insane. Dang, SOS screwed a lot of people. Bitcoin spikes and SOS spikes without changing prediction. No, so if you watch the video when I went over that, right, I said that most likely come Monday morning, Bitcoin would spike and this would be a great opportunity for puts. I wouldn't short the stock at all. I'd just get puts for myself. And it looks like it wants to break up again. It really does. It really does. If it gets to, honestly, I like it at 7. I'll probably grab some puts here at 7. But I also like puts up here around $9 to $10. I really do. I think it all looks really good. Gary, no problem, man. That's the point of the channel, to bring potential news. Worst case scenario, you don't touch it and you miss out on some BS gains. Best case scenario, you never touch it and you don't lose all your money. You got any more high tide? Bro, that high tide's going to the moon. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. I mentioned it to the premiums today. This thing's about to fly. Look at this. Look at this, boys. As people were doubting it too. I remember people like high tide's going down, yada yada yada. What do you know? They come out with earnings. Their financials are the best in the game. In this cannabis sector, they are the best in the game. Based on how they run their business. You should look into it. Recommend. What's up, Tyler? Been waiting for you to pop up all morning. Well, AJ, Daddy's here. CCIV to the moon. CCIV is looking really good. I'm a big fan. Buy levels were down there. It looks really good. I like it a lot. Namaste, Gabriel. Namaste. Hey, Kimpos. High tide. High tide. So, yeah, it's looking really good. High tide's looking really, really good. Biden's recent executive order on American supply chains could benefit CTRM. It could. It very well could. Rogan. Google SOS Ltd. And go to their website. It's trash. And all the companies they work with have the same trash. Where can you get high tide? It's an OTC penny stock. So if you use Webull or Robinhood, you probably won't be able to get it. Not a financial advisor. Bits I can't get in the high tide. Yeah, I know. That's the struggle. How are we feeling about this bouncing off this ending support on AMC? What are you talking about? Let me look at AMC. Sorry. I need to say at AMC. So if you have AMC questions, just ask. I mean, I'm heavy into it right now. So So I mean, I love it. I love what this. I mean, this is classic price action, right? So these are my lines I drew, right? I drew these yesterday in the video, I think. So I want to see a breakup, a retest. We got the retest. We got a few retests. Holding, steadily making an uptrend. I didn't think we'd even hold this high in the middle of the day, to be honest. The volume's looking pretty good as well. Look at AMC. Yeah, volume's looking good. 2 hours left in the day. I would like to see like a 130, 150 push by the end of the day. JJ Watt to the Arizona Cardinals, if you don't know, by the way. And then after hours are going to be interesting. They're going to be spicy after hours. I think AMC looks really good. This morning I was watching. I was at McDonald's after my workout today. I was watching. We had McDonald's after, so I was watching it, and it was just this is what we expected. You know, just hold above 850. We started the day above 850, and I was like, from there, it was just like, dude, it's a gimme. Best broker, OTC stocks. Personally, I use E-Trade, so I'm approved for you. I'm approved for them. How's Nancy looking? Are you recovering from COVID, bro? No, Maticus. I have a really bad cough. I might have had it before. I don't know, but I make a lot of videos. I'm talking a lot now. That could be it. Someone said it's because I probably sleep with my mouth open. Adiansanya, I think Adiansanya looks really good. And his ability to manage his weight and his stamina is phenomenal. He's gonna chop him down. I think. You're saying at McDonald's having coffee with the old retired guys? Actually, the guy across from me was reading his Bible, and then me and my friend were just got done working out, so we were like eating, watching. Actually, we were watching Trey this morning for a little bit. That was funny. But yeah, so far, I mean, the Mara play this morning. If you're in the free, if you're in the free part of the Discord, free call Friday. My option was for Mara. If you got into it, you rode this wave. Entries were about right here, like at 3150, 3180. It was looking rough, you know, at the end of the day. But hey, to the men, this was a play. It happens perfectly. If Kathy believes in Palantir, so do I. Palantir is a great company. Great company. Great company. Can't express that enough. AMC's looking prime. What are your thoughts on CIE? Don't know nothing about him. Have to look into him. Still AMC, holding AMC. Love your channel. Keep it up. God bless, Maticus. Namaste. You getting in on Torch and Metamaterial? I'm not. I think Metamaterial is good. I think Torch is just kind of like an oil company, and to me, it doesn't make sense to get out of oil in West Texas right now because oil is booming. And if you read the reports, oil in West Texas are set to fly. This is a really good support it's sitting at. It looks like it wants to pop up. Probably run at 360. Possible. Eric, it's going to be a good fight. I definitely think Jan's going to have more power, so Israel's not going to be able to get tagged. But if you watch how Israel fought Costa, Romero, he's smart. He's a smart dude. You're going to need someone athletic to beat him. Like, Whitaker is one of the guys that could fight. The only person I think could beat him in that range. John Jones would be a good fight too, because they're like the same build, and John Jones is like IQ so high. What's the weight for that fight? It's light heavyweight. Did Neo release earnings? It's aftermarket close. Thoughts on Burry hyperinflation prediction? Hyperinflation's a real thing. I hadn't heard about the West Texas oil. Thanks for the info. Yeah, West. Yeah. So okay. So. Fun fact, I'm kind of like, I try to know a lot of people in a lot of different sectors. So my barber, and I love people that are workaholics. I love it. Like, because when you're workaholic, like, it's just like, it's contagious to be around. So the guy who cuts my hair, my dad's actually the guy that put me on him. And so I like having a nice haircut, right? Like, I like looking nice. So he's a barber. And so he works in West Texas oil, but during COVID, he was laid off. So when he's in town, he cuts a whole bunch of people's hair. So, like, he works nonstop. Even when he's off, he's working, right? He just likes working. And so, I've been going to get my haircut from him. Anyways, he just got his job back in the oil field. And it's booming. In Texas right now, oil is booming. I mean, like, look at WTI. West Texas. Yeah. West Texas Midland right here. We'll do this one. Crude oil. So, it's down on the day, but if you look at... This is oil over the past, weeks. Since January... Went from 47 all the way to, it's at 60 right now. So it has a huge run, probably gonna bounce pretty soon. You'll love to see it. Berkeley Lights, I don't know them. Sorry, I have to look into them. Big boys though. This is a different breed. I agree. It's gonna be a hard fight. Like honestly, like light heavyweight's a different beast. But I think Israel is good at not getting touched. You know what I mean? He's a very technical guy. Rarely been hurt. So option for like the way he destroyed Costa, man, that was impressive. Tyler the homie, yeah. Great to have you show. We need this to jump to $12 minimum, but ideally 15 by the end of Friday. I'm looking for 14.5 by Friday. By Thursday, to be honest. You need to eat some honey, rappers, and singers, and eat it after a long time in the studio, because if not, the throat hurts. Oh. You need to drink honey, because honey... Okay, I see you said. Let's go. Moon. I am Pixel on Reddit. Amazing DLG, everything pointing to intercall options. Maybe, possible. You know? I'm a little pessimistic sometimes, I'm not gonna lie. Here on the channel, I can be a little pessimistic. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. So yeah. Any stocks you guys want to look at? Overall, Nasdaq and stuff looks really strong. Like, indexes look very, very strong. They want to keep going. Target for Nasdaq is like 13.5, 13.6. So I think we have tons of more room to go. SPY is at a resistance, but it's trending in the resistance, so we're going to push up to highs again. Overall, everything looks really strong and solid, so I think everything's going to be pushing up. MD, I can't tell you what a good buy is. I can't tell you. I bought in at 8.55 this morning. Seems like AMC is going to keep testing 8.98 for the low for a minute. Each time it drops, it shows extending support. I like the movement it's getting, guys. I like the slow, guys. I keep saying it, right? And hopefully it burns in your head. This is what we want to see. We want to see the slow, gradual movement, right? I think it was very big for us to get above 8.5. That was huge for us, right? But since then, we're just trending up. We're just trending, right? I want slow growth. There's slow, gradual growth here. Really want to hear NEO's earnings and what it will do for the stock. So I don't have any calls on NEO. I have stock in NEO, but I got XPEV calls. That was the play for XPEV. I got XPEV. But yeah. Ooh, man, I'm so tired. I woke up at 5 a.m. this morning. Oh, I'm dead. You feeling 14 today? I don't think 14. I didn't say 14 today. I think it's possible. 14.5 for the week is my target. Now, if we get higher than that, God bless. Hell yeah, slow and steady wins the race. Yeah, you said it's slow, gradual per trend. Working the auto factory, working for 60 plus hours a week. Might not get 40 this week. Any thoughts on semiconductor stocks? Love them. Semiconductors are a great play, and they're lagging behind. Look at Corsair lagging behind. How's Micron doing? Look at Micron. Micron's pretty strong. Nvidia had great earnings revenue-wise, I believe. And they're kind of trending sideways as well. Like, this could run up. Like, honestly, that's a more expensive play, though. I like Corsair a lot. Looks at it bust? I don't think so. I like CCIV. Like them a lot. Does anyone not talk about the AMC pays dividend once it starts profiting again? Flaming SC, I don't know if it's going to be profiting for a little bit of time. Time, could you get up the option calls for the... What do you mean, Shane? I said Shane. What do you mean? You mean explain option calls and where I'm looking to get out? So, for me, I'm not... Why do you want a slow trend as opposed to... The AJ, if Tyler Trey teamed up to be a money-making machine, hey, you're preaching to the choir. I've tried joking. Honestly, though, I think people take my jokes offensively sometimes if you don't know me. So I get it. And if like you look at me like, oh, that guy's a major douchebag. So, I mean, I get it. Like, stereotyping, I get it. Okay, so why do I like slower moves up? Okay, so let's talk about it. This is a great question. Love to see it. Okay. So, first of all, let's look at what's going on here. Right? So, we're gonna look at what's happened the past few, whatever. So what we liked about AMC is that we got to the support and we just bounced. We just stayed here for days. And this whole time this right here was happening, we're making videos saying the consolidation is leading to a push. The volume is staying strong. The OBV is showing strength. And I'm talking about the OBV here again in a second. So as we broke up, held 6. That was the buy entry. This is what we talked about buying above 6, holding above 6 in the 15-minute chart. Boom, that was easy money. We started trending. This is slower, gradual, just uptrend happening, right? Came down, retested, came up, came back down. Wasn't worried. Can't keep coming. We keep coming. So we're just moving sideways, slower. We're gonna see this growth, right? Just keep pushing, and then eventually we're gonna get that boom. We're gonna get that big push again. Then we'll start to retrace again after that. But now let's go over what happened last time, right? Okay, this is where it gets interesting. The best way to learn TA and to get into TA is to look at the past and see what's happened before, because the quote "history repeats itself" is not a joke. It's very true. So right, so we got this slow growth, sideways consolidation, up, sideways, and then boom, we got the immediate move up. But guess what happened within the first? These are 15-minute candles. Boom, immediately back down. Then we came back up. Then we came back down. Then we came up, and then boom, plummeted. You see how fast these moves are? Everything's coming up and down, just huge swings, right? But why aren't we seeing that right now? You know what I mean? Why isn't that occurring right now? And now this is where it comes into play when you really start to look and chart and get into stocks and trading them. When you're seeing slower, gradual move and it's an overall trend and it's healthy and there's buying and there's selling, you're going to see it maintain that push. I mean, don't believe me, go look at any chart. You know what I mean? This was the same thing with NEO. Like, we can talk about NEO before NEO day. It was seeing massive wicks up and down. And I talked about when we started getting that slower growth going into NEO day, I was like, dude, we're pushing all-time highs. This is the easiest play in the world. Go look back at the videos. So we're getting the same push, right? We're getting the same movement. So whenever we start to get this, like right here, we got the big giant wick up, right? Then we trended, and then boom, we came back down. So it's going to lead typically to the retracements when we start getting these big legs up. You know what I mean? But then eventually there's going to be enough is enough, and we're going to start coming back down overall. You know what I mean? As your webcam is in the way. How's my webcam in the way? What are you talking about? Oh, sorry. Yikes, my bad. Anyway, so you can follow along for. But yeah, so head and shoulders on AMC, I don't think so. I'm not a pattern trader like that. I don't believe in that type of stuff. It doesn't affect me. Do you think that when we hit 940, we sold off hard it was day traders? I don't know, but I anticipated a move back down. And when it's not that we sold back hard, it's price action, guys. It's not a coincidence that we're retesting the key support levels. You know what I mean? Like, people are like, oh, we're selling off, this, that. I'm like, me and my friend, he was sitting right next to me. I was like, ah, dude, we're fine. We're going to come down to test 8, 8, 8, 8, 9. And we came down, we bounced right back. He was like, what the hell? What are you talking about? Right? And then we tested this on the open. We came up at $9, came back and tested our support at 8.5. We held 8.5. I was like, oh, dude, I'm loading up. Load the boat. Boom, we went up. It's just like, but he's new. He doesn't really understand it. But like, it is what it is. Like, this is, do what you do over and over and over and over and over. This is all I do. You know what I mean? So like, use what you do. If it works, keep using it. If it doesn't work, you'll know because you'll start losing money. But right now, I like what's going on. I like it. We're holding, getting a retest. It looks like we're about to start pushing back up. That's what I want to see. I want to see slow, gradual, hold this 8.9 to the end of the day. Even if we get sideways, even if we get sideways movement, it's good to go. Just Turi, they always fill the gaps. I mean, that's not always correct, but yeah. But that's my theory. SOS running up, boys. I think SOS is trash. In my opinion, probably won't change unless there's some cold, hard evidence about them not being complete trash. Be careful. Be careful. So, that is that. Indexes all look really good. I hope that wasn't confusing. I mean, I think I explained stuff really, really simple. Bro, you might actually have COVID. Doesn't matter, man. AMC and the tendies will save me. Oh, indexes look so good. Ollie looks so good. Do you have it close at 10 or close on Friday? What? Do we have to close at 10? What are you talking about? There's just no news behind it. Like I said, I want to be wrong. You know what I mean? If you guys can show me that I'm wrong, I will be happy. I'm almost willing to tip you if I'm wrong. Not out of being conceited or cocky, but because you will save me money. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? What are you looking out for, OBV star? Actually, yeah, I don't know. Thank God you said that. Dude, it looks so good. This was one of the key indicators about AMC that I loved. I was looking at this morning. Okay, right? So even though we were getting this kind of downward pressure right there, right? We were flatlined off, and we were actually getting upward pressure showing that we were going to break up, which we did. Now we're kind of trending down, and we're going to see some more upside, I think. I believe. That's what I want to see, right? You know, I can't say that without a doubt what we're going to see, but that's what I want to see. It looks really good. I think it all looks so good. What are you pricing looking to close out on Friday? I want to see us close above 14.5. 14.5, but the dangerous part about AMC is the earnings are Thursday, and I don't know what's gonna happen. I have not the slightest idea. You see, I'm sweating, dude. I'm sweating and nervous. I have some pretty high calls. I mean, I showed them earlier. I have some 11s, 10s, 12s, and I think 16s. I'm not saying that we close there. I'm saying that's where I want us to close to continue the trend. But then again, does this go on for 3 weeks? You know, like I don't know if I could see AMC going up for 3 weeks. That'd be madness. You know, like just crazy. That means we like scale. It's like right here, like further. Sorry, like yeah, it's like. You know, we'd really be scaling out. So, is that probable? That's not probable. Like, it's a low possibility. I think that. I mean, I don't know. You know, like we moved for like 4 days here, 3-4 days. They paid bonuses out. I guess they did. Yep. So Shane, and my conspiracy theory behind paying their execs. Yes, they won't sell, but this sets up Wanda to be able to sell some of their positions if they need to. That's the only theory I can think of. Why else would they do that? Just my opinion. I want to eat some chicken tendies on AMC. God bless. Yes, I do. Hey, these are trying to strategically use their limited shorts today. Yeah, and they're dumping into shorts. This is the best way to look and see if they're adding shorts, guys. Is right here. I borrowed us. They update very, very frequently. We're sitting at 5.7. We have been gradually increasing all day long. 5.7 is high. The local high that I've seen is 6.1%. Very, very high. We can look at GameStop. I haven't looked at GameStop. 4.8, 8. GameStop's going down, right? Yeah, GameStop's dropping. AMC's grabbing the hype, guys. AMC, the Tindy gang is taking over. Okay? Tindy gang. Let's look at some volume here on my AMC. 93 looks good. This is what we want to see. Like for market close, honest, I didn't suspect us to even get this high. I think we'll get above 135 by the end of the day. But before market close, I want to see us like at 120, 135, and then end of market close, we could see some really big pushes, right? Some really nice pushes. It's gonna be interesting. I'm curious to see how much volume we get. Like right here, all this volume on this day came pretty much like 200 mil or 150 mil came at like end of the day, like last hour and after hours. Ben Weaver, it's totally. I can't tell you if it's a good day or not. Not because of financial advice, but for yourself, it depends what your option is. You know what I mean? It totally depends on what your option is. So if your option is closing on Friday, I mean. My options are all closing on Friday. I'm not looking to hold till Friday. Much less Thursday, personally. But the way I'm playing it is I'm looking to re-add some positions, but further out. But I'm going to wait for like a dip or something, right? Strategically. Like, so I'm fine if I miss some profits, right? It's not because I'm not holding the line or don't believe in it. But it's because I know my theta and stuff like that's going to start hurting me. Gamma, 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 gamma. Good afternoon, Tony. It's good to have you, my brother. What day do you have calls for? They're all for Friday. All for Friday. It's good to have everyone, though. If you need me to go over something again, just cover it. Just text it in the chat. I'll try to go over it. Is it a good idea to sell at small profit and turn around on shares with profit? It's up to you, man. I can't tell you what to do. I'll tell you when I sell, though. When I sell, everyone will know. Oh my gosh. Woo! If my option expires March 5th, does that mean that I have till March 5th to execute and collect? Yeah, you can sell it before then, yes. Or you can let it expire. You see him pumped up today? Pumped up every day, man. I just got a nice little juicy pump this morning, you know? Drop a like for the stream. Aruba, what a guy. What a guy. I appreciate the love, guys. I appreciate the love. All the support. You got the Rona. Why you always ask that? Chill. Thank you for the video. God bless. So glad I bought in 7.8 last Friday. Not selling. I'm not selling, baby. How do you feel about Sundial? 16 contract expired till 2023. It's wild, you know? It's wild. I think Sundial is solid longer term position, yeah, but options, I don't know what the play would be, you know? It's dangerous. With the indexes going up, I like it. I'm surprised CTRM hasn't done anything. Trending sideways, strong. I like CTRM a lot. I know off subject, but thanks for all your hard work. Appreciate it, Brandon. No one gives me enough thanks. You know what? You know that? Lucky you, AME. Overall, we're looking good though. AMC option trades bullish AF. AMC down to 150k shortable shares. Guys, I don't even watch that anymore. Do you execute or do you sell the options? I sell mine. I sell my options. If I look at anything besides AMC, yeah, I sold my Mara this morning. Mara was a killer play. I got some XPEV. I'm kind of slow. Kind of being slow today with options though. Just because so much of my attention's on AMC. You know what I mean? I'm so focused on it. I'm like locked in, laser focused. How old are you, bro? You look young, but you said you have a son. Yeah, I'm 23. 23. This is my skincare routine. It's phenomenal. I'm about to start selling it like probably like $7.50 a month for the skincare. You know, Skin by Tyler. Any thoughts on Rocket Mortgage? I think it's a boomer. This mortgage industry moves really slow typically, right? It consolidates and moves crazy. So their earnings, it was kind of a go figure that they would do good though. So they done pretty well in all earnings. Look at the MACD on daily. I don't use MACD. I don't use these EMAs or SMAs or HMAs or, you know, I'm trying to think of these other RSI or all that. Like, I believe you can get tricked with those. Not my thing. My friend said, "Let me know when it's mooning, boys. I'm taking a nappy nap. Just finished a page of my coloring book with my red crown." I don't like Zom. The skin. So, please do an option call contact video on AMC so the guys are aware of what it means and how it works and how it benefits people holding AMC. Trey's done a video like that, I'm pretty sure. He's explained all of that. You know, I'm not a teacher, guys. I'm not the professor. It's not my thing, you know. I do what I love. And this is what I love. I love trading. I love the excitement. I love being right. I love, you know what I mean? I love charting. This is like what I love to do. How I trade right now. You know what I mean? So You be smoking that gas, my guy? No, my guy. No, my guy. I don't smoke that gas. So what do you think if AMC... What? Did you delete your message? Oh. Don't delete the messages, boys. We don't delete messages here. We don't delete videos and we don't delete messages. Okay. I'm really interested in S. I think this is terrible. I think, man, maybe a double top. I mean, if it pushed up, I would short it. Like a 10, I would have to. Like, I would have to. I like it for a double top, though. Sup, dudes? How's AMC doing at work? You and my info. Well, Alan, let me help you out really quick. Let's give you the rundown. Thank you for the $2. Buenos love. Buenos nachos for the love. Roberto Benavides, namaste. If you have a question, post it. I'll try to answer it. So, AMC, what am I looking at? What do I like? We're down a little bit right now. We're down a little bit. We got that push to 940. Did that worry me? No, it didn't. Not at all. Not a concern in the world. Didn't bother me at all. Right. I never expect this to break straight through and not get a retest. Looking right now, I'm a little concerned, but I like what's happening. As we look into like the really tight candle of what's going on, I like the 15-minute because it respects it the most, in my opinion, for intraday trading. So we bumped up, we came back down, tested the monthly level, came back up, and now we're sitting on the VWAP, multiple touches of that monthly level, 4 touches to be exact. If we can close this 15-minute above VWAP, I'm feeling very good. Going to the end of the day, I don't necessarily need to see a push. I would love to see some sideways movement above 8.9. Originally, I just wanted us to hold above 8.5. Now I want us to hold above 8.9, maybe even above the VWAP. Closing above VWAP has me very, very bullish. It looks good. I added a lot of contracts, 8 to be exact, around 850. Options drop, gang. Gang, gang, gang. What do you do if AMC doesn't hit your resistance? I don't know. We'll get there when we get there. Real crowns aren't for culling, they're for eating. You're right, Justin. You're right. Trevor Stock Tips. Did you hit that parlay with Mark? So Marcus All hit it. Damian Lillard hit it. LeBron had 28 points. He needed 29. He missed a free throw and then he airballed the putback. I missed it. So 100 would have been 600 and I lost it. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. I'll probably do some parlays later tonight, maybe. What's going on, Young Chronic? You went through AMC options change. No, I don't use Webull, so it's not gonna pop up like that. I use E-Trade. But I'm thinking about getting Flow Algo for the channel. If you guys want it, I'm thinking about it. AMC will skyrocket, but it won't be today. Not with that negativity. Get out of here. Just not the dude. Yeah. Whoa! If you come in here with those purple crowns, that violent color, ugh. Get out of here. SOS Moon. Hey, buy it, please. Hey, if I'm wrong, I like I said, I enjoy being wrong. I don't have money on it yet. I'm looking for puts. I want puts bad. I'm just debating. This looks dangerous. Double top. If it gets back below VWAP, I think it drops down. I don't think it even retests and goes straight through the support. The trash stock. Good luck though if you trade it. Just finished my coloring page. Oh, we got Richard Kyle Lira. That's my boy Kyle in the chat. Let's see what he said. Just finished my coloring page. Holding boys, taking a nappy nap. Wake me when we moon. What sports betting is best for the DD? For the DD? So sports betting, here we go. This is what I use. You'll get my bonus as well. Use login. Yeah, I was so pissed. I lost that LeBron bet. I put a lot on it too. I was like kind of hesitant about $100, but on a three-way parlay like that, it was crazy. This is what I use. I deposit with Bitcoin. You know, it is what it is. Appreciate the love. AMC definitely going to $14. Gang, gang, gorilla, ape, gang. Stonk trading is coming soon, and this will be amazing. What's your first ever home run? It was my first trade ever. It was Litecoin. Yeah, they can. Just love the stream, man. Got to tune in when I can. You have to, Young Chronic. You have to. You have to. Do market makers the reason for the extra volume day covering it? There's not that much volume. I mean, honestly, like, if we're comparing days, today's not the most volume we've seen. It's actually not crazy at all, you know? So, just food for thought. It's nothing crazy here. Tyler, you mentioned that Theta. Can quickly explain to us and give us your input on why do you believe this can affect and hold till expiration date. Basically, Theta, the easy way to say is time decay. So, let me explain it to you like you're 5 years old. To stay with me. Do a vertical line. Okay. That's our vertical line. So this, let's say we enter our option today. Okay, so we enter our option. If the price stays the same on AMC, right? Let's say we have an $8 call option, right? Whatever it's worth. I don't care what it's worth. Doesn't matter. Every day, if we let's say this price does not move, it stays the same, and this is our expiration. This blue line, right? The closer you get to this price, it's gonna go down. The theta is basically the time decay on your option. It gets cheap. The option will decrease in value, put or call, as you get closer. Closer and closer and closer, it will decrease in value no matter what. Okay? Theta always is going down. It's always working against you. It's never in your favor. Okay? If it goes up, so let's say it steadily goes up really, really slowly, the theta will still be working against you. So let's say you have an out of the money call, the theta is going to hurt you depending on how much out of the money, how close you get to that expiration. It's the simplest way to say it. Do you think it's even remotely possible to AMC spike? I don't. It'd be crazy. It'd be cool. Do you think James Harden will get booed versus the Nets on Wednesday? James Harden fan here. James Harden versus the Nets. He plays for the Nets. Why would he get booed? Do they play the Rockets? Do you have any position in crypto? I do not. I do not. The only crypto I have is for Bovada. Tesla be zooming. How's Tesla doing? I haven't seen it today. My friend Kyle owns quite a bit of Tesla. Oh, Tesla's bouncy. Probably gonna push like 760. Obviously. I'm watching a few plays. Oh, dude, what beautiful. I loved it, guys. I love it. Not gonna talk about it. It's beautiful. If you want to see market manipulation, study the level 2 bid ask for AMC compared to normal stocks. Buy orders are always a few cents below cost. Sell orders a few cents above. Was AMC supposed to game squeeze today? There's a lot of hype about it, but it has basically like Tuesday, Wednesday. It looks good. I like it. It looks juicy, boys. Can you get high tide options? No, you can't. Cannot. They're OTC. It's a penny stock. It's possible for 300, but I don't like it. Umbarda says the short borrow fee is 8.6. No, it's not. Oh, it's not. You're lying. It's 5.7. You're a liar. Don't lie to me. Oh my god. What? 8.6? What? That is insane. You weren't lying. I'm a liar. Is that true? No way. Oh my gosh. We need to see. I bought some. I bought some this morning at like 8.55 price. Okay, let's see. Let's see what happens here in a sec. That is crazy. If that holds like that, I honestly could see AMC flying in the after hours because no one's going to want to short this. You know what I mean? No one's going to want to short. I'm going to look at something real quick. 523? 523 to 525. 25, boom, 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 boom. End of the day, 25? Yeah. We got something. Okay. I know doing pattern, but is that ANC? I don't even like follow cup and handles, to be honest. I don't know. We're gonna explode, boys. We're gonna explode. That was amazing. At what point did you become bullish again for AMC? This right here. This movement right here. I believe it was this day, the 12th. Maybe like the 11th. But when we started moving sideways, that's when my thesis changed. And if we got above, I said consistently, if we break above $6 and hold on a 15-minute chart, that's when you buy. That's when I buy. You know? Not financial advice. Fintel is updated. Let's go to Fintel, boys. We're going to Fintel. We're here. They didn't change anything. The volume's the same. The short volume's the same. Nothing changed. What are you talking about? What changed? Nothing even changed. This changed. Bar rate fee. Oh, 8.65. Oh my god. That is so high, guys. That's the highest I've seen it. Wow. That is gross. That is gross. You know what I mean? That means there's so many shorts here. Holy crap. That is just, I don't think you understand how disgusting that is. You know how expensive it is to short that stock? Sit over money during the weekend. Gotta wire it in typically. So if nobody wants to short, what do you mean? Everyone wants to short. That's why the interest rate's so high on the fee. That's why the fee's at 8.6%. It only goes up if it's in high demand. George, that was funny. I sent that to Trey. He didn't even laugh. That was a good joke. 80K now, that's insane. This guy is rude. I'm rude. Oh, I'm sorry I hurt your feelings. I'm sorry you live in New York City and you think I'm rude. Do you see the ironic part of what you're saying? I just looked at eyebrow desk. Yeah, it looks crazy. That is wild. I want to wait for this 1 minute. In 1 minute, we'll see something big probably. We'll see. I want to see it updated. This looks really... AMC holding 8.9. I'm not even like... It's consolidating on the support now. Like, dude, guys. 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 Hey, don't jinx us. Dude, they could get us below 890. Don't jinx us, please. I'll come through the screen and slap you upside the head. I can't believe he called me rude. He lives in New York. That's insane. Have you guys been to New York? They're like the rudest people in the world. Just saying. I'm a nib. How does shorting affect the price action? That's what increases the short squeeze. So let's say in theory, right? Let's say in theory, we're in AMC Wonderland going. We're on our rocket. Well, we're in the rocket ship right now. We just got off the rocket ship. We're in the lander. They just, you know, propped us up. We're sitting at the moon. We're sitting there. Elon's like, guys, you're about to go. We're about to send you to Mars. You're in Perseverance 2. You're about to hit the Mars. Go out the stratosphere of the moon. You're going to go to Mars very, very soon, okay? And we're like, all right, Elon, thanks. Gotcha, right? So the thrusters for this rocket, in theory, stay with me, the thrusters for our rocket is going to be the gamma squeeze, right? Which is basically the call options covering themselves and exercising out of this position, or the put options, I'm sorry, that expired underneath $8 because they have to exercise the position and fulfill and buy the stock. Now, what's happening right now is a short squeeze. The short squeeze is the real, that's what, so let's say the gamma squeeze gets us out of, you know, the radius of the moon. Now we still got to get there, right? But in theory, we're going to start traveling at light speed, so we're going to get to the destination very, very quick, right? Now, in theory, I know you wouldn't use light speed to get to Mars because it's going to take you there in like 4 seconds. Bear with me. I know. I get it. Bad analogy, but we're still staying there, right? So we're about to hit that warp speed, the light speed, give or take. But what's going to get us there? It's going to be the short squeeze. So by these shorts adding to their position, so let me just paint you a scenario with how shorts can have so much risk and lose so much money. So let's say you buy AMC stock at $10 for shorts. So if it drops from $10 to $8, you make $2. But let's say AMC goes from $10 to $25. You have to pay back that $15. Do you understand? So your limit to risk is unlimited, to where what you could win is very, very limited. So when you're buying these shorts, you're buying a lot of positions because you're trying to make some money, but it's not that big of money you can make, so you have to buy a lot. Now, we can tell by looking at this eyebrow desk that the fee is showing that a lot of people want to buy this right now. You know what I mean? Lots of people want to buy this. This will get updated here in a second again, but a lot of people want to keep buying it shorts, right? So it's stacking up. So if the gamma squeeze pushes the price up to, let's say, $11, theoretically, right? Or let's say somehow to $14. In theory, that short squeeze could push us up to 25 because a lot of people would have to start covering their position and start longing the stock. So if the stock went up too much, they could get rid of some of their longs to make some money on that side and then trying to time it where it comes back down. Does that make sense? It should, I hope. If it does, I'm sorry. Maybe that's why I'm not a teacher, so that's why I don't like explaining things. But that was Tyler's version. And boom, short squeeze, we're at Mars, we're chilling. I'm riding around on Perseverance. Your guys are like, oh, Tyler, you're so BA. You're on Perseverance on the rover. Yo, YOLO. That's what's happening. AMC interest rate 8%, 8.6%. Bosley, Orion, 8.6%. Absolutely, that's insane. Insane. That's like GameStop's. That's like as high as GameStop. It's insane. And the reason this is crazy, why it's so high. So like, if you compare it to like something like GameStop was like 12% at one point, right? Which was really high, give or take. Yeah, I agree. But GameStop has more room to make money, right? Because it's at like $100 and something. AMC's at $8. So you're putting all this money and you're not going to make as much money. Like, if you're bad at math, I'm sorry. I'm not going to break it down to you, but it is what it is. So, I find this consolidation super bullish. Well, I'm glad you guys are on the consolidation train with me. I've been trying to teach you guys consolidation for some time. Because people always freak out when we see sideways movement. But you shouldn't panic when we see the sideways movement. You should be kind of happy depending where we're at. You know what I mean? We're sitting above the VWAP. We're sitting above the monthly open. Like, this is just, guys, come on. It's juicy, juicy, juicy. So we got that ticket to Mars. We've had the tickets. If you bought your calls, you got the ticket. The question is can we take off? And once we start taking off, we're taking off. What do you do to manage your risk in something like this? You don't put more than you're willing to lose. So that's about like, let's say I have like $1,200 worth of calls. I'm willing to lose $1,200. I'm fully willing. But now if you're going in like 12 grand or more than you're willing to lose, that's your own fault. You know what I mean? This is gambling, what's going on here. You know what I mean? But once you start making money, then people are like, well, I'm not selling because we're going to the moon and like me and my bros are apes, yo, and we're eating crayons. Like, then you're probably actually eating crayons because you're not thinking logically. Now, skimming some off the tops, taking some profits here and there, and then getting back in is a smart thing to do with, you know, more expiration time to have more data on that. Like, that's a smart thing to do. Now, if you're just like, oh, I'm an ape. You know what I mean? So do whatever you want, but yeah. But yeah. I don't mean to be rude. Well, maybe I do. I don't care. Ultraman 82. What happened with the gamma squeezer I'm talking about? Calm down, Ultraman. Coming in here with all that negative. I see that negative. I got that you know, passive aggressive attitude you got going on there. You know what? Just wait a second. Wait a second, Ultra. New York. Welcome to Wall Street. We decide where AMC goes. I don't even know what that means. Are you considering exercising any of your calls? I will probably sell some of my calls on Wednesday or Thursday, depending where we're at. Because I have to, because they close on Friday. So I'm going to be looking to get more, but it's just depending how the market's moving. You know what I mean? I need to put more in is all I'm hearing. Xavier, I'm not saying that. I'm not a financial advisor. I am just a kid that's graduating college that happens to be decent at trading and make some good money from it. You know? I'm just, you know, it is what it is. I'm not the best. I'm not the worst. But I got, you know, I got the tendies is what I'm saying. 994. You know, we're getting that movement. We're holding the support. Guys, I cannot explain to you. So this is what gets me going when it comes to stocks. We're holding sideways, getting above the view up, now pushing up. This closes in about 8 minutes. It's going to be a pretty important candle, so we can't, like, you know, get too excited yet. But it looks great. Selling my dad's pacemaker so I can buy more AMC. Whew, I hope it's made of silver. How do you learn about all this stuff? Consistent trading. I lost tons of money in the beginning. Tons of money. When I was 18 years old, when I was 19, I'm sorry, I got my girlfriend pregnant. I was living with my parents still, and I lived in the back room, and all I did in my free time was devote every last second into trading and learning charts. That's all I did. I had no life. I had friends, don't get me wrong, but I didn't go out. I did play games, not gonna lie. I did like troll around and stuff like that. But for the most part, everything I did was revolved around getting better at trading. That's what happened. Hours and hours and hours and hours and hours led to this. You know what I mean? You don't just get good at it. Is AMC a good buy right now? I bought it $8.55. I'm not gonna tell you if it's a good buy or not. I can't tell you that. I gotta be really careful with what I say. Where do you go to college? University of Houston Bauer. You'll be the best. I want to be the very best that no one ever saw. Or maybe that's how it goes. I don't know. So a year ago. I'm 23. This will be like year 5. This will be year 5. What do you recommend myself to start? I use price action. You need to decide what you want to use to trade. Do you want to use indicators? Do you want to use price action? What do you want to use? I think price action's best. It's my opinion. GME looks like it's going. It does look like it's going. Oh, skirt. If it gets above 17 and holds above 17, it'll go. Come on, guys. I need some claps. I need some claps in the channel. I need some claps. Clapping hands, baby. Clapping hands. Bringing up a kid and turning it around and saying trading is awesome. I mean, I'm not going to lie. Like, I think I was super immature in the beginning. Like, 100%. But once me and my ex broke up and stuff, it forced me to really, like, you know, focus on what's important in life, you know? I did go through, like, some depression and stuff. Even though I broke up with her and stuff. I just went through, like, a really bad phase. But, yeah. It definitely turned me around for the best. What's for lunch? I'll tell you what's for lunch, howdy! Them tindies! Them tindies and crayons! Are you in business at uni? Yeah. My major is finance. You have enough clap? I have had clap before. It was not fun. It's the final countdown, Chad. Play the song. I wish I could play some songs in here, but I can't. That's how it works. It's how we grow. It's how we grow. And I love the selfie. Love the selfie. No shade. I do love people that have their picture on there. Where's your son? Let's see him. He's with his mom this week. It's like 43, 57%. And that was a very expensive 43% I had to pay. Very, very expensive court. Hello, check out High Tide Inc. I've covered High Tide continuously. One of the best plays in the sector. I can't talk about him enough. Green crowns incoming, boy. Green crowns! Alright, boys. I feel like we should make a little wager again. Why do you go to college? Great question, Irresistible. Why do I go to college? Well, like I said, I had a son when I was 19, and I was raised to the knowledge of my main priority, besides my relationship with God and stuff like that, is to provide for my family no matter what. So I will never not provide for my family. Now, I'm not married or anything like that, but my job is my son. Like, so no matter what, he will never go without. I didn't go without, he won't go without. Yo, the video of you eating the banana on Twitter was hilarious. God bless. Straight ape out the zoo. What do you think you are going to do with your finance degree? I only have 1 year left. I'm probably not going to use it. Green dildos, daddy chill. As someone with a trade career, I highly respect others who are willing to grind the work for their career. It was terrible. It was a great grind. Chicken wing, hot dog and bologna. Yuck. Bologna, yuck. Been there, no t-shirt. I have 1K shares of AMC holding it, but building a diverse. Good job. Yeah, people that are like getting into AMC, like that's my. I don't know if it's financial advice. I don't think it is. But if I had to give you like any like words of wisdom, is use what you're doing. Use the money you're making on this second opportunity. Dude, this does not happen, guys. What you're seeing, you do not see 2 of these happen. You don't see it happen. Once in a lifetime opportunity, use a second chance to fund your trading, like guys, and getting into good, smart positions. Like Neo was a great position. Corsair is a great. Palantir. CCIV was even great at 26, 27 bucks. Like tons of plays, guys. Like learn to get into it. How do you find new stocks and plays? I read tons, guys. I read tons. I read. All my friends are into stocks too. So like it's just like 2 of them around too. But I'll have my son this week. I'll get him on Thursday. So I'll have him on probably for a little bit on the stream at the night time. The best religion is the one that don't kill. Hey, I don't believe in killing, bro. I'm not gonna get on religion though. I'm not gonna get on religion. I think there's a lot of hypocrites out there, so I don't want to talk about it. I think the biggest people that hurt religion are religious people. Yo, clap. Whoa, daddy, chill. Carlos, come on, calm down. I don't get why paper hands are selling off right now. Like, why? I don't think it's paper hands, guys. I don't think retail's really moving the market that big right now. You know what I mean? My wife's boyfriend said that we're going to the moon. I hope the prick is right. You're telling me. I lost a lot of money on AMC. Getting back into AMC is a good decision. It's up to you. I'm not telling you to get into it. Right? Buddhism. I sold my SOS after watching your misleading info and lost money. Guys, look, I'm just giving you my opinion on companies, okay? I'm just giving you my opinion. You lose money, that's your own decision. You listen to a guy on YouTube, first of all. Second of all, it's gonna come down. If this thing pops, I just put so much money into AMC, like my spare spending money that I had on here. A lot of it's tied into long term, but I love this coming down. I love this. I double top coming in. Man, beautiful. You got a great opportunity, to be honest. SOS is trash. Trash company. Absolutely terrible. But hey, JB, awesome idea blaming someone else for your mistake. Great idea. I'm just saying, if you listen to someone and base your financial decision on someone on YouTube, be careful. Do your own DD. Always do your own DD, guys. Check Fintel. I just did, but once I want to I borrow desk again, see if this just changed. I want to see the next one. This is updating really slow. Yeah, it's sitting at 8.5. That's crazy high, guys. That is insane. That is wild. That's wild. Hey, some dork. Welcome to the club. You don't even know. Tyler, I'm back into GameStop. Wait, are you on puts, Rogan? Rogan, are you on puts or calls? Puts or calls? I need to know. Guys, we need to flame Rogan if he's in puts, okay? We need to flame this man. Attack him. I want you all to attack this man. Do you pay for the DD you use? What? What do you mean? What are you talking about? Loving the setup for the power hour and after hours. It's looking good. It's looking juicy. Good job, Rogan. Good job. I'm glad. Hey, this man Rogan, he stays undefeated, so it's good he's on our side. People are saying, okay, so y'all wanna go down this trail, okay? So people said SOS was a fraud, right? And this is the bump it's seeing. So let's look. So since basically the fraud allegations at like this point right here, we've seen a massive dump to the $4 range. Okay, but let's look at some actual fraudulent companies, right? So let's look at Nikola, who have no product. Okay, so this company not only dumps, but they also pump back up, right? So this is actually a quite fraudulent company. They have no product. They lied. Okay, let's look at EHang as well. Oh wow, we dumped down to 43, then went up about 50% the next day. Okay, almost 100%, and then we came back down and did it again. It's crazy. Guys, if you're buying these levels, good luck. Good luck. I wish you the best. I hope you don't lose. I hope the best for you and your investments, but be careful. If you can show me one bullish thing on SOS, if you can show me one bullish thing on them, that they counter the arguments of the allegations put against them, I'll consider changing my opinion. But I don't think you guys can show me one thing that's bullish on them. Not one. If the interest rate begins to increase, what then becomes the situation? Will the shorts tap out? So no, it just makes it more expensive, and it's also showing you people are entering shorts. So I went over this morning, like early this morning. It's kind of the key point. I posted on Twitter. So today we opened up at 4.3%, and since then we've overall doubled from 4.3 to 8% to get into a short position, right? And we've been decreasing the amount of shorts the whole time, right? Correct, as you follow along, and just decreasing. As you can see, a lot of shorts were entered in the after hours on Friday, right? So that shows that. Correct, Mundo. So in my opinion, this is making the better setup for the short squeeze if the short squeeze does happen. And I've kind of explained that already, and I don't want to keep explaining it. Exactly how I feel about religion. Hey, I'm not pushing nothing on you guys. I love everyone, love all peoples. Check out SOS address again. It's not a hotel. Oh, okay. Okay, here we go. So obviously you didn't look into what they said. So this is the problem. I'm not being mean, Miss Unicorn, because you're actually a good person. Like, you're actually a good subscriber. But I get animated when people say this. If you look at all the properties around that building, if you want to say it's next to it, they claim that their building is 10,000 square feet, right? Correct? Their office space. There is no building that's 10,000 square feet. Baidu's building is next to it. There's another really small building, and then like a warehouse type building. None of them are 10,000 square feet. So either they lied, correct? Which, if your company's lying about their products and their house or wherever they're officing out of, probably should tell you something. Why didn't they address any of the other statements? In that whole article, they didn't address none of the other statements. 0 of them. And why? If you raise $200 million, right? Let's say you raise $200 million for a company, right? And it's dropping in valuation, just plummeting, right? Plummeting. Absolutely just taking a beating. You think you would release some type of news about that company to be like, hey, look, this is false. Like with UAVS, their CEO was pissed about the short selling news on them. That's why I love UAVS. Their CEO immediately came out and addressed every single thing. SOS hasn't said a thing. They said our building's next door to it. That was their argument. They couldn't provide pictures, nothing like that, because all the other pictures are fraudulent. This is what they said. SOS stands behind the integrity of the company and remains committed to maintaining transparency of the highest ethical principles by providing pictures that they're stealing from other people, which is proven. SOS reserves all the rights that it may have against these short sellers and will defend itself vigorously. They are already lying to your face again. Already. How are they defending themselves vigorously? They haven't even commented after a week of all this news. I mean, where's the argument on this company? I mean, are we drinking the Kool-Aid here? Come on. We can't drink the Kool-Aid, guys. I'm not drinking it. If you want to drink it, go ahead. The risk reward there's not even a comparison. It's like if we had to compare, it's like a 10-to-1 risk reward. So you're right, crypto stock play. So is your right. What are you talking about? If you got nothing to hide, then be an open book. Exactly. I mean, we made money off of SOS. Don't get me wrong. I bought it at like $7, sold it like 10. I made money on it, right? I rode the hype behind it. But once the news got brought to the attention, I got out of it. But all I did was buy the idea of what they were doing. The thought, I mean, it sounded almost too good to be true, but yeah. Yep, the short interest fee, the fee, yes, is over 8%. It's like 8.65. I want to see the next updated one. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be juicy. SOS statement sounds a lot like it's straight out of It's Always Sunny. It's just crazy. And if you are saying, well, it's seeing a massive move up, it's still going up, Tyler. Okay, then go look at the fraudulent companies. Go look at Nikola over the past few months. It continues to see up and downside, back and forth, right? And they keep lying about their company and their business model. It's like clear what they're doing, right? This is after they lost a GM deal and there was nothing really worth anything, and it just kept going up and comes down. It's just like, whatever. Like, look at Ehang. Ehang's, there's like a 99% chance this company's, cooking the books. They dropped down. They dropped up they went back up like 50% the next day, and they came back down. It's like, come on, straight flamed SOS. It doesn't make sense. Like, it's just like, I want to have educated conversations, but please don't come in here and like say something and then like not know really what you're talking about with it. And again, Miss Unicorn, I love you. You're a great subscriber. You're in like all the lives. I appreciate it. But like that just shows I'm not biased towards anyone. Subscriber or not, good subscriber or not, I'm gonna come and have an educated conversation either way. Again, I want to be wrong. How do you do your research? I read a lot. Shan Rahandwa. Sorry if I butchered you. I'm sorry. I'm a bad butcher of names. But thank you. I appreciate it. We're all grinding. I appreciate all the love from you guys. Helping the channel grow. Couldn't do it without you guys. It's not me. Nikola's 99% scams. But guess what? They're still public. They're still riding waves up. Does that mean they're a good company? No, it doesn't. Surprise Pikachu face. I picture that in my head. Learning how to trade my WhatsApp number. David Carter B. That sounds like a made-up name if I've ever heard one. David Carter. If someone in this channel texts you, please let me know who they are, because I need to get banned ASAP. I need to get them out of here because they just aren't using their brain. If you have an argument, present facts, not feelings. God bless Mocon. God bless. Unless you're talking to me, because I think I did facts. When 80% of YouTubers in the space say SOS is a scam, it's probably a scam. Actually, not a lot of YouTubers said it was a scam. Some people were like, I think it's actually a good stock. I'm like, what are you talking about? What news leads you to believe that is a good stock? AMC, like, we're seeing this nice, really. Oh, we held the 15-minute over too. That's good. That's good. Good solid candles. This sideways actions and juicy. If only the facts could be said with all the feelings. I know, right? Too bad I'm always in my feels. I listen to Drake all day, that's why though. None your business? No. What's good, bro? Just getting off work? Well, Sean, you're just getting into the chop shop, boys. We're just getting into the chop shop. We're, you know, getting to the last hour of trading. I need to get a Coke. Diet Coke. I'm like fiending for one. I'm loving what's going on. I'm loving this. It's beautiful. Hitting a moon dance. Do you like KOSS? I don't look into them enough, into any of their stuff, so I can't give an opinion. I'm not gonna give an opinion on something I don't know, like research enough. You know what I mean? It's not fair to you. It's not fair to everyone here. You know what I mean? So I make a comment. I'm typically researching that stock. I'm not your financial advisor. Take this packet of salt. God bless. You're listening to Benny the Butcher? No, who's that? He sounds cool. Crying in the shower, singing Drake. I'm so proud of you. Tyler just logging on. How's it going? Ever Assassin, you know, can't complain. We're mooning. We're halfway mooning. We're launch padding up. After hours looking juicy. Skirt, skirt. Is EH going to recover in your opinion now? I got UAVS. I bought a lot of UAVS. UVS is taking a pretty nice little dip though. Trending back up, but I like UAVS a lot. I think it's good. There's a few sketchy parts about it though. Sideways movement. Hopefully a push here. Hey. We talk about this daily. We talk about the TA daily. You guys know what's happening. You know what I'm going to say. You know my opinion. You know, you kind of don't even have to ask anymore. Honestly, I've been talking about AMC long term maybe because I feel like they could go up after the whole coats. I won't even put the gloves on, James. I'm just go bare fist boxing out here. I don't want to talk about AMC long term because you guys are going to get heated at me. Okay? So I don't want to talk about AMC long term. Like, post squeeze stuff. I don't want to talk about it. You guys are gonna get heated. Sorry, I'm an idiot. Before all-time high met. Can I tell her if we have a spike at all-time high day, we will just sell options or hold them for tomorrow? I don't know. I'll tell you when I sell. You know what I mean? I can't, you know, you guys are putting me in sticky situations. CTRM. I've been watching these guys. I really like them. I really like them. Some good stuff surrounding them. It could go down, though. Definitely could. It's a riskier play. Look at the 4-hour chart AMC. Bullish AF, yo. Man, I've been sticking to the... Yeah, it looks pretty strong. Yeah, it looks really good. It does look really good. How's Neo looking? I'm about to go grab a drink really quick. I have to pee. Neo's probably gonna. I think Neo hits like 54 maybe tomorrow, maybe higher. I don't know. Earnings could be bad. Who knows? You know. Who knows? Who knows? XPEV kind of just stagnating. I'm seeing some. XPEV has so much room, man. Wow. People don't even know. People don't even know. We get to hold chat up in here buying. Let me sell first. Power hour coming in hot. Clove. I like Clove. I like Clove because of people that support it. Oh, do I play video games? I do, but since December I couldn't. I can't. Between school, my son, and this, dude, y'all don't understand. Like, I think people think YouTube is like easy. Like, I think people think it's a full-time job. But the thing about it is like, I think the people that are turned successful at YouTube is because they really love what they're doing. To be honest, and I'm not saying that like I'm like successful or super this or that, but like, nope, get this guy out of here. Nope, bet. I love talking about stocks. I already trade them all day, every day. You know what I mean? So like, it's just like icing. Now I get to interact with people and just troll all day about it. I love it. You know what I mean? I can't complain. So like, but like, it's like a full-time job, man. What's my son's name? Truth. The truth. Oh, people bought into MP materials when they dipped last week. Yeah, dude. MP, I made a video on them when they're at 30. Man, what were they at? I'll show you. They were right here. They were at 32 when I made my video on them. They're nice. They're juicy, juicy, juicy. Great, 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 great stock. Big fan. Really enjoy the gym. I'm happy you enjoy the gym. I'm happy. You have a son. 23. 20 Tris. I think me and Trey are the same age, someone said. I don't know. Clove, yeah. I'm not going to go into their like technicals or anything because who knows how low they can go, but long term I like them. I've been up for 4 days getting money both ways, dirty and clean. Don't know what that means. I could use a glass of cold hard space Rolex chauffeurs. Whoa. Young True. What part of Texas? Houston. Like South Houston. Oh, Elon with the beams. Let's see what he's saying. I love this. Okay, someone sent me some bullish articles. Okay. I don't know if this is okay. I'm not gonna read that. I'm not a huge fan of that. What was I gonna say? Crap. Oh, dude, this girl's fine, bro. Went to school with her. Woo! Woo! Fine. She's bad. Bad. What's Oh my gosh. What's the name? Dang it. Elon. Oh my. I was looking right at him. That's funny. Anything else? That's it? Thought you had more. Doge. Question, do we take all the profits we make from AMC and throw it in Doge? What do we do? Do we? Watch out for rug pulls. Rug pulls? You got magic carpets, bro. What you talking about? Truth Wilson sounds like he's about to be throwing dimes to Odell Beckham Jr. You're right. I know. I was like, bro, boy better be good at sports. He's not good at sports. We're gonna have problems. Oh my gosh, my leg. My sciatic is killing me. Watch out for the ruggies. Last prediction. What do you mean? AMC is one of my first few investments. Where would you recommend a new trader start looking for info on trades? I don't think too much is gonna really like. Main things I'm watching is a short interest, the borrowing rate. The borrowing rate is probably one of the best things you can look at. Fintel does a lot of institutionals and stuff like that, but it's kind of delayed, so you gotta take that with a grain of salt. But overall volume is pretty important as well. Most of that stuff is free. 114. We're making money. We make money every day, baby. We're about to make money every day. Alright, guys. I'm going to use the restroom really quick and grab a Coke. Give me a sec. A Diet Coke. So where's the squeeze? Squeeze my ass. I'll squeeze it, daddy. Give me a sec. Give me like 5 minutes. I got to use the restroom. I had to pee so bad. Even lost 100 viewers? You kidding me? Oh, hey, good run though. Oh, here we go, boys. Boys, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. 907. 907. Here we go. DFV just tweeted. What did he tweet? No, you're lying. What's his name? What is DFV's? Hey, what's his? Is his name Roaring Kitty? What's his name? Is it Roaring Kitty? What did he tweet? Is this it? Is this him? Let's go, Bill. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Do we load up on more? Do we add more? Do we buy more? I need to know. Do we buy more? I'm debating. You guys, I want more. Do you guys want more? Did you play sports back in the day? Of course. Yeah, I played sports. We played everything. I sucked at baseball. Bad baseball. Earnings are out tomorrow. False. Fake news. Okay, one sec. Is this what he posted? Oh, he posted. His lawyer probably told him he can only post memes. We're about to go back. AMC, bye. If he sinned, I sinned. Oh, don't tempt me. Let me look at the bank account real quick. I gotta be smart. I have to keep adding more. I'm like so disciplined on not taking it from my other portfolios. You do not understand. I've been so disciplined. It's taken some extreme self-control not to use from other portfolios. But I had like $300 on the account I can't even use. It's so frustrating. It's locked up until I think Wednesday. It's frustrating. I'm about to get my tax return back too. Man, I don't know how much I'm gonna use. I'm kind of scared. Bye. 1,000 shorts left. One sec. Let's look. I'm not buying it. Power hour. I do want more, guys. I'm itching. Yeah, I need more. Hey, you got any more of those long positions? Hey, did someone donate money? One second, let me look. I don't know if they donated while I was gone. High tide popping. I told you high tide's gonna. Guys, you guys piss me off when you don't believe me about stocks. I tell you, like there's certain stocks that I research so much, like NMGRF and high tide. NMGRF is a great, one of my favorite long-term pickups, by the way. So 1,000 shares available. This I feel like it always says this. See, like, and then it goes back up the next day. See, we were like 100 and then it went back up. See, right here, this is the 25th, right here, right? So you go to 25th. This was the 25th. So it was stacking up, and that's when the short interest got really high, and the fees were really, really high up here, and then we dumped. But I'm telling you guys, if this thing pops off right now into the after hours, if this thing whoa, who said Vanguard added 6 million shares? Show me a link. Someone send me a link. Kimtosh, you're printing. God bless. I'm happy for you, man. I'm happy for you. That's what I want to see you guys succeed. I never want to see you lose. Even if it involves me being wrong, I don't want to see you lose, guys. Never. I borrowed us 1,000 shares of 8.5%. If someone send me a link about Vanguard, don't lie to me. Don't just say crap, guys. Send links Discord. Ow, that hurt. But I'm telling you guys, this was when we saw all those low, we ran out of shorts pretty much. Guys, I'm telling you, if this thing runs after hours, we're flying. We're getting that $14 push tomorrow. Or maybe even after, I don't know. Munjikak Chudluga. I don't think AMC is gonna tank. I think your name's gonna tank. I'm just saying. I can't even pronounce it. Okay, get out of here. I don't need that negativity. Did I see Vanguard's tweet from yesterday? I did not. What is their tweet? I'm trying to watch the stock too. It's getting crazy. What tweet? I don't see a tweet. I don't see a tweet. Show me where they double their position. I want to see it. Is that on here? I don't think they just bought it. Show me the money. Is this it? Is they doubled? No, it's the same amount. It's the same amount. It's not more. Send me a picture if someone if they doubled it. Let's see. I borrowed a check. No, I think I just checked. There's no way it can be different. Yeah, I saw it. 1,000 shares is left. It was the same on the 25th, guys. We're not out of the hole yet. We need to see how we react. We need no dumps. Holding above 8.9 going to after hours, guys. All monkeys exit. Good thing there's no monkeys. There's only apes, boy. Oh, we're getting it, boys. We're getting it. Oh. Insert trades left. I got the boys texting me. I got the boys texting me. Here we go. Wasn't the Vanguard ad like ages ago? Let's see what happens. Okay, let's look. Oh my god, look at it. It's about to run, guys. It's about to run. It's about to run. Oh yeah, isn't this an AMC like picture? Yeah, it is. It is. That's funny. Good stuff. Oh boy! Hey, if you don't follow me on Twitter, you can follow. I'm trying to get more active on Twitter for the guys, more updates and stuff like that. And the girls and the boys. It's for the boys. Girls can be boys as well here. Okay. Oh my god! We're about to go. Grab your sack, boys. I'm grabbing them. I'm grabbing the sack. I'm grabbing this. Grab your sack, boys and girls. If you don't grab them, grab yourself by the cooch. So let's go. No discrimination here. Here we go. Here we go. We're doing good. New highs incoming. New local highs incoming. But yes, and long-term highs. God bless. We hope so. We got the boy. Make sure you hit that. Oh, we got the people following. I appreciate the follows on Twitter. Girls can't be boys. Different. Tyler said trans rights. You know what I meant. One of the boys. This is because I bought GME. Get out of here. Hey, I'll take it any way I can get it. That's what she said. Hey, we win, baby. Protestant, we having fun now. We're having fun. And you know what's gonna be the icing on the cake? The icing on the cake is gonna be when Neil gives good earnings. Although Neil could give bad earnings and kill us, but you know, we're staying optimistic. Okay, I'll make a wager today, boys. And girls. I'll make a wager today. So we're already doing the AMC giveaway if we hit $25, right? I already said no matter what, if we hit 25, we're doing some sort of giveaway. $500 with AMC gift cards, chicken tendies. Well, I don't know what we're gonna do. We're doing something crazy, but we'll take some donations for that too. I will eat. Oh man, this is a hard one. I want to eat some crayons if we hit $20 by tomorrow's open. I mean, I'm not gonna swallow the crayons because God, get out of here, this guy. God, how does he come up so much? I'll munch on a bunch of crayons on stream for the boys and the girls. Sacked, grabbed. I'm getting my phone's blowing up. No, I'm not doing it if we hit 10. Nah. Hit 10, eat the red crown. I don't even have any crowns. Hey, you know what? Truth has some crowns. We dogs in here, baby. We do rule ape things. We eat crowns. We eat bananas. We poop and wipe with our right hand and we throw it at the enemy. Okay? Enemies being the hedgies. Let's go, sir. This is Wendy's? I'll just say the boys. We are the boys. That's what I'm going to name our group, the boys. The Jägermeister. Whoa, daddy chill. Daddy chill. Here we go. We need this, baby. We need this. Let's look at the volume. Look at the volume. Oh, she's pumping. This volume's pumping. She's pumping all right. Let's go. $630 people in here. We need more people in here for what's about to happen to the market. This is what happens on this channel, baby. Barriers get broken. The after hours are about to be so juicy. I cannot elaborate on how juicy these after hours are about to be. Teamwork makes the dream work. Hold. It's actually hodl, but yes. Bro, eat something hot. You'll make your kid cry, start eating his crowns. Bro, he'll be able to get brand new crowns after this. Look at those, you know, back in like when you were real young, they had like big old box of crayons and it was like golden. Those are bad. You could like sharpen them. The boys mob. Give us our tendies. At 20, you hit the hottest flavored tendies you can find near you. Bro, I'm a walking packet of hot sauce, baby. Oh my. That volume is kicking. It's trying, guys. It's trying to get above 930. 930 is the resistance right here. 1 million of volume just kicked in like within a minute and a half. It's going. Look at the shorts. Look at the shorts. What idiots. Oh, good job, shorts. Come on, let's secure the bag, boys. Let's secure. We need to get above 930. Once from 930, we're pushing. We're pushing, okay? From 930, honestly, I think we can hit 11 really quick. I think the volume will kick in hard. Eat the purple. The purple is an exclusive Crayola color. Woo! Are you sure? Bears getting wrecked. Hey, fingers crossed right now, boys. Fingers crossed, mob. Fingers crossed. We need all the hype we can get right here, okay? Fingers crossed. No bad juju here. Should I cover my short on AMC? Cash, what are you talking about? Sat, grabbed, ready for liftoff, boys. Nothing but flexes, nothing but, you know, tendies in the system. Can you explain why shorts are healthy for the market or just lies? In theory, if we get the push up, shorts will eventually have to start covering their positions, right? They haven't really started, in my opinion. If we get a push like $11, $12, shorts will have to start covering their positions, which will then start pushing the market up because buying volume will kick in. Brand new to this channel, John Jones. John Jones, I would let you kick me in the shins, okay? If we hit $25, John Jones, you come down to Houston, kick me in the shins as hard as you can. Yes, magenta is purple, but Crayola was so popular, kids only know magenta as purple. I don't even know what's going on. I can hear Trey from here. Trey's spirit is with us today. Wherever he may be. I bought some more. Fug it. I said fug with the G. Fug. Shorts trying so hard. Grab the sack and pray. Grab the sacks and praise. And pray. Women, grab your boyfriend, Zach, and pray. Okay, we need it all. Wizard, wildcard trading her. You're kind of a little too fast. Tyler's the best, the only one I can listen to. God bless. Good taste. High quality. Jimmy's going? No, it's not. Don't lie to me. Don't lie to me, baby. Oh, it's about to happen, boys. Come on, AMC. Do it. Do it! I didn't get my refund yet, no. I filed my tax like the other day. Very recent. Jimmy's doing it, guys. Jimmy's going. Things are about to get wild. Let's start pumping, AMC. Pump. I need pumps only. Janet Yellen is taking the L. Yellen, get out of here. And you know what? We're securing Bitcoin with these profits. And we're buying the tendies off the market. You can't even know about it. All I want in this chat is pump. The word pump. We keep typing pump until we pump. Only pumps in the chat. Nothing else. Only pump. 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 Only want pumps in the chat. Only pump. No, do not type anything else until we break free. Let it fly, boys. Only pump. Only pumps in the chat. I'm not answering any questions. I only want the word pump. That is it. All I want in the chat, boys. Just it. Just keep typing pump. That's all we're putting in the chat. It's happening. It's happening. Come on. Look at GameStop. It's going already. That's all we want, baby. Fingers crossed. Tindy's here. Gasoline on the fire. All we're typing is pump. Oh, man. It's about to happen. That's all we're doing. I don't care if it takes 40 minutes. I don't care. I don't care how long it takes, baby. It's about to happen. Oh, look at game. Oh my God, it's happening. GameStop's going, boys. Chad's, woo! It's about to rip. It's about to, dude, it wants to rip. So 9:30. Keep pumps. Oh, here we go. Here we go, boys. Come on, there we go. Come on. Dude, it's inching. It is inching. We didn't pre-do it. Pump, boys. Oh my gosh, it's getting denied. Go. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding? Dude, it's gonna go. No more. I'm gonna look in the chat till we see. No more. Only pumps. This is going. Look at the setup. Look at the setup. Come on, AMC. Do your thing. Go. Más rápido. Más rápido. Here we go, boys. Come on, let's go. It's sitting there. It wants so bad. Do I have that clip?
The greatest feeling you can get in the gym, or the most satisfying feeling you can get in the gym, is the pump. Let's say you're training your biceps. Blood is rushing into your muscles, and that's what we call a pump. Your muscles get a really
Guys, the pump. Arnold said it, baby. Are you kidding me? Did we jink? There's no way. Y'all got stoked too early. It's going to low and hold and pump. Okay, hold the pump. Hold the pump, boys. Hold the pump. Hold the pump. Hold the pump. We need to save the pumps. Oh, my gosh. It's going. It's going to go. Oh, my gosh. Chat, you did your job. You did your job. We'll come back. We'll come back. Oh, here, like, some magic shares are appearing as we speak. Isn't that beautiful? Throw the banana. Gosh, what is go? Come on, go, go, go. The sound's back on. Here we go. Come on. Put the pump back on the pump and hold the pump. Come on, boys. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Look at the volume. 4 mil in like another 10 minutes. Insane. Insane amounts of volume. I think after hours is about to be litty. I know. It's insane right now. He is muted but refuses to read the chat. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Let it fly. Yo, she wants to fly.
Yeah.
One thing in life, let it fly.
What's worth investing in right now? I mean, do we need to talk about it? Do we, chat? What's worth investing in? What's worth investing in, chat? Y'all tell them, guys. It's about to pump. When this thing breaks 930, I want the chat to explode with the only pump. Okay, that's a massive George W. I sent this tweet to Trey. I thought it was really funny. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie. I thought it was like one of my more funny tweets. But then again, he does not know me, so I don't know if he thinks I'm funny or not. Oh, did I not send it? Oh, yeah, I did. I said, am I right? And I drew a W. I mean, that's pretty funny, right? That's pretty gold. I said, but it's funny because I said, am I right? I thought that was, no, not funny. Okay. Good talk. Oh, Becca Titty in the chat. Welcome, Becca Titty. She wants to fly. She wants to fly. The volume's through the roof right now. It's gonna get crazy in here. Oh, look at that drop. You're kidding me. Get out of here. Get out of here. Thought you guys into the moon. We're trying. This is ridiculous. The sell-off we're getting right now. I still believe. I'm not worried. Do I stress? I don't believe in stress. I believe in volume. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Now we're cooking with Crisco. Now we're just cooking with straight gasoline right now, baby. About to soar. I'm trying to see these Martians too. Oh my gosh, go! What is going on? Oh, that is such a hard rejection. Okay, but the price action still looks decent at this point. Want to see a strong bounce. Check Discord real quick. Do you know pump it up? You gotta pump it up. You gotta pump it. Only first AMC might overshoot the moon. We're about to go. Just take a chill pill, guys. Relax. Get your throats, clear out. I got a rough cough over here. Let's head to the moon. Hey, the only thing we need to put your helmets on, boys. Put your helmets on. We need to have our helmets on. Helmies on. Helmies on. Daddy chill. Bucket City, welcome. That's how I know this stock is like the back of my hand. It will run. Rogan Cash Money. The Texas Money Slinger in the chat. Believe in the system. I don't even know what the system is, but it's going up. Man, it's only Monday. It's only Monday. It's Money Monday. GME is the one hurting right now. I mean, AMC's holding up either way. Like, it's just holding so good. You know what I mean? And look at the fee on that. Insane how much 8.6%. That is insane. Gnarly. GME, yeah, look at GME just bouncing the way it's bouncing right now. God, AMC, yeah, if we get back up there, yeah, let's go. Man, look at the AMC's price action is perfect. JJ Watt going to Cardinals on a $31 million contract. I know they're paying this dude with a broken back. You know, gosh. Always bring Brian Urlacher back and pay that guy $20 million. Jeez. They should have got rid of Watt a while back. Money Monday, Tindy Tuesday. Tindy Tuesday. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Yeah, Kyle, Tesla's going insane. Guys, I'm telling you, it's about to fly. Look at the price action. This is beautiful. As a price action trader, like, this is just, man, you love this. Just the way we're respecting all these supports all day. Look at just flipping. We flip this one, we flip this one, and out, man. Oh, man. Ooh, it looks good. Will this fly after hours? I think it will. I think it looks good, Daniel. I'll take 15% gain on the day. Good sign for the gamey. AK shares, they had 1,000 shares. I don't trust this number. I don't trust any of the numbers anymore. But it just shows they're shorting it heavy. And let's say, theoretically, the gamma occurs. We start pushing to highs, right? Check Fintel. What do you want me to check? Check. 8,000? Yeah, I think I just talked about this. Yeah, it was just at 1,000 though. So, you know, I'm not like too crazy about this. You know what I mean? The short, the interest rate's the same. So, nothing different really. Well, in theory, what you want to see is this come up, right? We're just going to come up, keep going. And the real run will happen when the shorts really start squeezing and covering positions. And the question is, you know, what level does that happen? And I think that starts happening around the $14, $15 range. Personally, that's me. So up until then, it could be slow and steady, and then it could really just, you know, take off. Right? You know what I mean? That's what I'm saying. So GME popping back. Y'all still have to believe and hold. Hodl. Let's buy her to Saudi Arabia. Dang, I can almost feel the pressure. Just look at the. I know the price action is beautiful. Like that. I mean, like, dude, this is beautiful. No one is selling. It's a hedge fund tag. Respect every time. Come on now, guys. For real. Let's look at Bitcoin. They thought that they would short it indefinitely, and it went to 60K. Now, like Goldman Sachs is trading it. Full time they opened up the trading desk. Callus, you think aside from the gamma? I mean, it's so heavy. I mean, the gamma is really the main thing, and retail's holding it. It's like the most held stock on these exchanges. Thought the gamma just happens before they close today. Should we sell before tomorrow and open? The gamma happens this afternoon. The gamma should lead into the short squeeze. That's the theory, and I do kind of back that theory. But I mean, if you make life-changing money, you need to, you know, evaluate that for yourself. Yeah, I mean. Volume at 130. I can't believe we're at 130. I can't believe how much volume's kicked in here at the end of the day. This is crazy. This is madness. Personally, no matter what, AMC is waiting for patrons to make a real return to theaters. AMC is worth the buy on the dip. How high can it go? I mean, 14, 17 is my key areas right now. If it holds above 17, it's going to fly. Welcome everyone to the channel. Appreciate the love. Appreciate all the hype. It's great to have everyone. We're looking juicy, though. We're looking juicy. We're looking very, very juicy. After hours about to hit, boys. We got about 26 minutes, give or take. Volume going through the roof. About we're averaging like almost 1 million a minute in volume. Insane. GME get that little push down. Looks like it's holding pretty nice. We'll see. We'll see how this lasts. Let's look at OBV on GME. OBV really low on GME. If this can get above like, you know, this 810 range, dude, it'll soar. Oh man, wow. GME does look really good. Look at AMC just trending up. Look at that. Praying that doesn't double top. Please, Lord. Yo, Tom, a coding robot. Or buying and selling it for trading. Cool, Aiden. Congraties. Does he mean 14 this week? 14 this week. Yes. What's the deal with AMC? I know, it only goes up. It only goes up, boys. That was a remember me when you blew up like crazy. Thank you, Bailey. I appreciate all the love. All the love in the channel. Appreciate all of it. Dakesh, are we selling? Guys, answer this guy. Are we selling this week? Are we selling today? Before close? Are we selling before we get the pamp? Huh? Tell us, man. We just watched Arnold tell us what's happening. Okay? How many shares do you have in AMC? I have about 20 call options. Spread out between 20. No, between 6. I have 16, 14, and I bought a whole bunch of 11s today. I think I have a 10 as well. We're just warming up, boys. We're just warming up. Hell no. Hell no. It's looking good. It's looking good. Prediction for closing. I just want us to hold above. I mean, 8-9 is what I want to hold above for close. If we can hold above like this 8-9. $9 range, that'd be huge. Well, yeah, like $9 now. Tyler, Discord. What'd you send me in Discord? Let's see. So my boy Rogan just sent me this. The unusual options alert. So this is what they were options for. DraftKings, Fisker for. GameStop is one of them on there. Just cover big trading opportunities. Oh yeah, lots of them are coming in for GameStop. GameStop could sort. It's good that they're coming in for GameStop though. It's good that they're coming in for GameStop. You love to see it. This is what we want to see, boys. This is what we want to see. This is what we want to see. Closes incoming. Look at that. We got GameStop 125. 125. It's coming in, boys. It's coming in. Let's go. Oh, man, my leg is killing me. All these shares coming available. That's comical. So yeah, I really don't think it matters when it says there's X amount of shares left. That doesn't affect me at all. Because I mean, like they'll just more will just become available. Like, it's not even worth talking about that. Man, what I was about to look at something. Dang it. How do you go from 8,000 to 250,000 short shares available? That means shorts covered. I'd be surprised if we saw a 970 push at close. I mean, we could. You know, in theory, we could. We're just going to want to see some action come in here. GameStop looks like it could make another leg down to this range here, like 117. There's a lot of volume. I agree. We could see a quick dip on GME down to like 117, 118. No, I don't think Robinhood does what they did ever again. At least not with AMC and GME. It won't happen again. I'm not buying it. I don't think that they can or will. They have to save themselves. And if they do it, they will literally, basically commit corporate suicide. What's Neo at? What's Neo doing? Dude, Neo is trying. Neo might fly on the after hours, guys. Holy crap. Look at XPEV. XPEV perking up. It's perking. We got that bottom consolidation, guys. This is going. Calling it tomorrow. I think tomorrow we see 37.38 within 2 hours of open. We'll see. We'll see if I'm right. We'll see what happens. How much do I bench? About a milli. Would they be dumb to do it again? No, they wouldn't. Yeah, now with the investigation, all that open. I mean, they got like basically attacked at by the SEC and Congress. Like, I don't see it happening. Almost the last 15 minutes of the day. This is gonna get good. Last 15 minutes is where things usually get juicy. 1 sec, boys. This is looking good. This is looking real good. 918. You got GME at like 123, trending up. Looks really good. I want to look at GME's volume. That's what I want to look at. Look at GME's volume. Look at that. Oh man, this thing is setting up. Look at that. That's insane. But then again, look, it had these massive legs even when the volume was down. See how GME moves is it has massive volume, and the low volume is when it pops up. This is interesting. Interesting stuff. How's Zoom moving? Zoom is moving strong. Oh, come on. Oh, let's go. About 17 minutes. I needed a quick little stretch. Had to lay back down for a sec, relax the back because things are about to get juicy. Things are about to get juicy. Max bench, like, haven't done it in like a month. Maybe a month and a half. So like 320? 325? And that's touching the chesties. That's nippy to baris. Okay, so Bosley, my opinion. I see what you're saying, Bosley. So my logic, right? My logic on what we should see. Okay, so I think this tells a good story. What's going on right here? This is showing that people are heavy into shorting. Very, very heavy into shorting the stock right now, right? The chart very steady, creating an uptrend. The last time we saw the shorts get this high was prior to the dip, you know? So, right. So this is when we got our retracement like 2 days ago. Right. And the last time we got this high was also going to be on when we had, you know, those next level highs from the past of like $21, give or take also, you know what I mean? But you can't really go about that because of, you know, Robinhood and all that crap. So bear with me there. Now, possibility, yes, maybe double top, maybe double tops off and comes down and retraces, you know, like this and going back up. Maybe, I don't know. But if we come down, we're probably going to get a deeper retrace. I don't see us stopping at that level if we come below the VWAP. But I don't think we get that downside. I think we're moving up. I think we're trending up through the shorts. I think volume's going to kick in here in the after hours here pretty nice. Hedges will cover it. Yeah. I don't think we hit it by close by any means. That's just my opinion. I'm not saying you're wrong. I'm just saying my opinion. We could very well move sideways. We've been getting the sideways movement that we wanted, though. You know what I mean? This is what we wanted. What we got right now. Just gotta be patient. Last 15 minutes on deck. Last 15 minutes on deck. Very strong candle close. It looks good. Everyone follow me on Twitter, wealthgrower _grower. Because, guys, if you want to grow your wealth, follow Wealth Grower. He'll grow your wealth. He'll grow your wealth so much that he has to go into other people's YouTubes and spam his stuff. He sounds legit. He sounds really legit, guys. He'll probably tell you to buy, you know, some nice ETFs. Maybe buy some Ford or some Apple long term. GME getting that touch we mentioned right here. That $17, $18 range. But it's good that AMC's holding up without it. That's what we wanted to see. It's like, you know, they're showing that they're different. You know? My only socials are this, and you can go on my Twitter, Tyler Wilson Investing. The end. I think it looks good, though. I think it looks good. It's holding that range, too. You want to see, I think GME wants to just hold above like 17, 18 range. And then AMC is like 9, 10, give or take. It's at 250K. This hasn't been updated. This was updated pretty recent. Fintech will probably update here in a sec. Probably a little slow. Do you have social media? No, no, I'm just really tired. I woke up at 4 a.m. I'm waiting for this close. These last minutes are always like BS. Kind of want you to load $20 on the stupid call. Full send. Nick Waters, love you. Love you all. Long time. Pump, 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 pump. I work at Ford. Pump me, pump me. How's the volume looking? I'm very surprised about this movement that we're getting, though. Gee, it needs to hold this area. Bad. That's not good. It looks like it wants to hold, though. We're gonna go back, don't worry. Ooh, Christmas tunes. Okay. How do they pump a stock? Everyone types pump at the last second, and then boom, it goes up. Any thoughts on CTR? I made a video on it, I think last night. Maybe the day before. I think it was last night. I liked it a lot. Now it's gonna get interesting. Stuff's holding nice. GB. GB needs a hold above like 17. 117. AMC getting pounded. Not really. Just a little dinker dunker. I'm happy we consolidated above it. Yeah, you know, 8 it was 9. Nice above 9 above. You need to hold above 9. 9, 10 would be nice. Oh. 9 minutes left. Don't hurry up and get this, you know, market hours over with. Yeah, there's a little bit of delay on the stream. A little bit. Let's look at the volume real quick. Boy, get over there. I think volume probably pushes close to like 160 maybe. Depending on how many volume we get on the after hours. If a lot kicks in, like 170, 160. If not that much, maybe 150. I think we're gonna get volume. I feel like we're gonna get volume though, you know what I mean? I just feel like that way. I don't feel like we're not gonna get volume. I cannot believe it's held like it's holding though. GME's holding above 117, looking good. 8 minutes left. Neo. Yeah, it's going up. It has okay volume, doing pretty good. After hours are gonna be big. It's gonna come right down to the wire. GameStop's pumping up there, you can see it. Almost to 120. AMC coming down a little bit. Jason sell now. Yeah, so there goes GameStop's moving good at the end of the day. So this is good. GameStop's at like 120. Yeah, 121. It's gonna start going out. Let's see how AMC pushes. You have 6 minutes. Anything can happen though. So like, you know what I mean. We're gonna wait till the last 3 minutes. My video description says restricted or delisted. What do you mean? Does it? Does my video say that? Maybe because I played the Arnold video. I played the whole thing. Could be why. I don't know what you're talking about though. It doesn't say that for me. I don't know. Crazy. AMC getting a little push down. GME's holding up strong at this 121 range. Interesting. Interesting action. Lots of volume kicking in. Lots of volume. Lots of volume. I think we just need to hold 8-9. 8-9's big. 8-9's big. Super chat's disabled. I wonder why. That's weird. I don't know why that's my description. My video. Oh, maybe I probably haven't changed it in a long time. Sorry, my bad. Yeah, I think that was old. I was talking about delisted stocks a long time ago. So I'm like out of it right now. I'm like so tired. See how we hold. Three minutes left. A little nerve-wracking. Thank you, Richard. Much love, much love. Much love. Windows nachos. The AMT looks good. It's holding up this range. Should be about 2 minutes left. 4, okay, 5, okay. I see you, fam. 6, okay. A little over 2 minutes left. Even 12% gainer below $9 to use. AME's pumped. 908. Okay, nice little leg. Getting some nice legs going on here. GameStop needs to hold as well. How's GameStop looking volume wise? It's good. Decent volume. Not terrible, not great. I mean, the volume's definitely been here on AMC today. With no after hours sitting at 140 almost. That's pretty incredible. No complaints. Minute and 30 seconds left. There we go. Holding above 908, 909. This is where I want to hold above right here. This is like the best if we can hold above that. You know what I mean? That's what I'm watching. But price action looks so good, man. Like, it looks so good. Oh, pumps in the chat. Oh, pump. Get that pump, boys. Get the pump. Can we get that? Like, can we get it going to after hours, boys? Can we get the pump going into after hours? I think we will. Can we get it? It's trying. It's trying hard. 914. Oh man. 116. 916. Oh boys. 916. Got 30 seconds left. GameStop kind of trailing. I'm so surprised. 140 mil. I did not expect this much volume today. I will tell you that. 920. 920. Oh boys. 917. 920. Oh, that's trying. It wants it bad. The after hours are looking juicy. Close 920. Close at 920. Close at 920. What's gonna happen? A drop? Okay, let's see what happens. Big volume spikes, guys. Big volume spikes. What's it doing? Is it holding? That was a great close. 920 was like price action wise. Looking at it, I mean that is a great close. Touch the view up, came right back up. Like I don't think you can ask for too much more than that. You know what I mean? Pretty phenomenal. GameStop seeing a retrace. This is bizarre. I did not see this coming. Based on that hold. You know what I mean? Really, really wild. .6, you know, the percent stayed up there. Weird after hours movement so far. I mean, it definitely could keep moving, but very, very, very bizarre. Very, very, very bizarre. Let's zoom out. Let's look. I mean, the price action holding like that was you don't get better than that. You know what I mean? I'm very surprised it's moving like this. So weird. It was a great close that last second before GameStop close dropped $2. Definitely on purpose. It's a great close. Go check out my music. Your shop taking visual. Still holding 9 after hours. I wonder what tomorrow will bring. Great. I mean, I don't really know what to guess right now based on after hours. This is wild movement we're getting. Very, very weird. Strange movement. Like, I didn't suspect to get a pump and then a little small dip in the after hours. Really weird. Still good one there. Really, really strange. How's the volume? There's no way there's volume. Yeah, there's no volume on the after hours. 905. 909. I mean it's some volatile stuff going on, but there's no volume coming in. And I changed 920. Good stream, bud. I'm headed out. Be easy, Becky City. I'll be live tonight. Probably about to hop off. About to go run and do something. Yeah, so I'm gonna hop off. There's nothing going on. I need to work on a video for AMC as well. Get some overall thoughts. I'll probably wait till like 4 o'clock to record it though, just to wait till after hours to set in a little bit better. This is some weird action, but I'll be live again tonight around 9 p.m. Central. Overall, again, guys, really weird after hours. Great close. I mean, looking at the chart, like, I mean, you couldn't ask for a better price action close. You know what I mean? Very, very strong. Like, that's extremely strong. So see another leg coming tomorrow. I mean, we might see a little bit more action going into like 4 p.m. give or take. I'll be back, guys, around 9:30 p.m. Have a good one. Love you long time. We'll be back.